Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Eagles Superbowl Party is probably one of the most anticipated events for any dedicated fan, offering a fantastic opportunity to gather with fellow enthusiasts and celebrate the thrill of the game in true Philadelphia style, complete with team spirit and a festive atmosphere that makes every play feel like a victory, ensuring an unforgettable experience for everyone involved. Number 5. Gatherfun Football Party Supplies Serving Tray. Transform your football gatherings with this must-have serving tray. It brings the stadium atmosphere right into your home, perfect for any football party or tailgate celebration. Featuring 9 separate compartments, this tray allows you to seamlessly serve a variety of game day favorites. It's an essential part of your party supplies, ensuring you're prepared for every touchdown. Don't just serve your food, present them with pride in this dedicated food tray. It makes every game a memorable event with areas for all your favorite snacks. This snack tray is the perfect size to hold all your game day treats without taking up too much space. It ensures your party supplies are complete and ready to impress. With this serving tray, you're not just preparing food, you're creating an experience. It turns every gathering into a vibrant celebration of the sport we all love. What we like. This serving tray is designed for the ultimate football fan. With its multiple compartments, you can serve all your game day favorites with ease. If you're hosting a tailgate or a football birthday party and want a functional centerpiece that enhances the theme, this is the perfect choice for keeping all your snacks organized and accessible. What people say. The Eagles Superbowl Party package includes a variety of themed decorations, such as banners, balloons, and tablecloths, all featuring the team's colors and logo. Guests can enjoy a fun and interactive experience with the included trivia game and photo booth props, adding an extra layer of entertainment to the party. The package also comes with a set of team-themed party favors, like mini footballs and keychains, which are perfect for guests to take home as souvenirs. Number 4. Football Party Hanging Swirl Decorations. Planning a football-themed party, birthday, or tailgate? Get ready to celebrate in style with these exciting decorations. This pack includes 30 foil hanging swirls, featuring football cutouts and team spirit slogans. They're ready to go right out of the package. Decorated in classic brown and green, these swirls showcase fun football designs and motivational phrases like "Go Team" and "Game Time." Each decoration easily hangs from ceilings, walls, or windows, instantly adding a festive atmosphere to any football celebration. From birthday parties to game day gatherings, these decorations are the perfect way to bring the excitement of the field to your event. Make your next football party unforgettable with these eye-catching hanging swirls. They're the ultimate addition for any fan. What we like. Bring the excitement of the game day to your party space with these vibrant hanging swirls. They feature fun football slogans and designs, making them a dynamic addition to any football-themed event. If you're looking to quickly and easily add a festive atmosphere to your walls, ceilings, or doorways for a birthday or tailgate party, these pre-assembled decorations are ideal. What people say. The Eagles Superbowl Party decorations were vibrant and festive, really setting the mood for the game. Guests loved the themed plates and napkins, which were sturdy and held up well throughout the party. The Eagles Superbowl Party centerpiece was a great focal point and added a professional touch to the table setting. Number 3. Gatherfun 100 PCS 16-ounce football plastic cups. Get ready for game day with our 100-piece set of 16-ounce football-themed plastic cups. They're perfect for adding instant excitement to your tailgate parties. These cups feature a unique design inspired by the football field, complete with yard numbers and patterns. Create a fun, game day atmosphere at your next football party. With a 16-ounce capacity, they are ideal for serving all your favorite beverages. Use them daily or to add a sporty touch to any gathering. These versatile cups are great for a wide range of events. They're perfect for football parties, sports-themed birthdays, game days, barbecues, and picnics. Enjoy the convenience of disposable cups designed for football fans. They make cleanup a breeze after any celebration. These cups are essential party supplies and favors for any football-themed event. Make your celebration memorable with these fun and practical cups. What we like. Get ready for game day with this bulk pack of football-themed plastic cups. Each cup holds a generous 16 ounces and features a design inspired by the football field. If you need a large quantity of durable, themed cups for a big party, birthday, or tailgate event, these disposable options offer convenience and style for all your guests. What people say. They are very sturdy and the perfect size for a beer or soda. The cups were a hit. Just as they were pictured. They are strong enough to withstand a wild 3-year-old's birthday party, and they were so good I bought them again when I hosted an end-of-season football party for my son's Tiny Mites team. They are so stinking cute, well designed, and the colors hold up well. Number 2. Gatherfun football-shaped foil balloons, 8 count. Get ready to elevate your football game day. This set of 8 premium balloons is perfect for accentuating any football party, bringing excitement with unique designs and spirited touchdown themes. Inflating these balloons is a breeze, as they are compatible with both air and helium. Our innovative self-sealing technology means no more tying knots, simply pinch the valve after filling. Turn any venue into a football fan's dream with these vibrant decorations. They are the ultimate showstoppers, perfect for tying together any tailgate or team celebration theme. Design a winning backdrop or centerpiece that will make your celebrations memorable. Use them as party favors or photo props to capture the thrilling spirit of the game. These balloons are a must-have for any football enthusiast. Their sporty flair is ideal for decorating football or rugby-themed events and enhancing your tailgate party setup. Make sure your football party is a touchdown. These balloons are designed to impress and add a festive touch to any gathering, ensuring your guests have a fantastic time. What we like. Score a touchdown with your party decorations using these football-shaped foil balloons. This set includes unique referee and touchdown designs to really amp up the festive spirit. If you want to create an eye-catching display or photo backdrop for a football party, birthday, or tailgate, these easy-to-use, self-sealing balloons are a winning choice. What people say. The Eagles Superbowl Party decorations were a huge hit. The banner was vibrant and the balloons held up all night. Great quality for the price. The plates and napkins were sturdy and didn't soak through. My guests loved the themed cups and straws. They added a fun touch to the party atmosphere. Number 1. Gatherfun Football Party Supplies Kit for $36. Get ready for the ultimate game day celebration. Our football party kit is designed to make your event a winning one. You'll receive 36 high-quality paper plates featuring authentic football field designs. They're perfect for serving all your guests and sharing the fun. Bring the excitement of the stadium to your party with these uniquely designed plates. They create the perfect atmosphere for any football-themed gathering. Crafted from thickened, waterproof, and oil-resistant cardboard, these trays are built to last. Enjoy your favorite snacks without any mess or spills. These spacious trays can hold a generous amount of food, from hot dogs and fries to salads and fruits. They are perfect for both hot and cold items. Ideal for birthdays, tailgates, team celebrations, and any indoor or outdoor event. These disposable trays make cleanup a breeze, so you can focus on the fun. What we like. This comprehensive party kit provides everything you need for serving your guests. It includes sturdy, disposable plates and bowls with a football field design, plus large-capacity trays. If you're planning a football-themed birthday or tailgate and want convenient, durable, and thematic servingware that can handle both hot and cold foods, this kit is perfect for hassle-free entertaining. What people say. Hold a lot and very durable. Fun to use as serving plates. Sturdy. They were large enough for hot dogs and nachos. People loved them. Very sturdy to hold loaded nachos. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.